Hi students, welcome back to Bharatiya Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. I am Anthony from the Department of English. The tree is known by its fruits. The tree is known by its fruits. And a man is known by his deeds. A man is known by his deeds. I would like to start today's class with this quote. A tree is known by its fruits. A man is known by its deeds, the action, whatever it does. The education sometimes looks bitter. Okay, but the fruits is so sweet. The fruit is so sweet. Yes, my dear students, today I am here to teach you, to narrate an incident that took place in your subject. I am going to teach you today 9th standard 4th unit prose. 9th standard 4th unit prose. The title of the prose is 17 Oranges. The title of the prose is 17 Oranges. Before entering into the topic, as I started earlier with a quote, the tree is known by its fruits. A man is known by his deeds. Why I have started? Because we all would like to have fruits in our life. One way or other, I love to have fruits. My favorite fruit is mango. Arun, what's your favorite fruits? Yes, pineapple. Very good, very good. Sumati, what's your favorite fruits? Jackfruit. Can you eat the jackfruit? No one knows. See, each one of you, your taste is different. Okay, you love your foods. You love what are the foods that you like. You eat. You would like to eat so much. Even if your parents say not to eat, but you love to eat so much. So, each and every human being love to have some fruits in their life. They have a kind of priority over other fruits. Yes, someone can like mango, someone can like orange, someone can like apple. Yes, it goes from person to person. Yes, my dear students, what are the fruits that you like? It is your desire to have. You wanted to have at any cost. At any cost, you wanted to have those fruits. Yes, with this, let us enter into today's topic. The today's topic is 17 oranges. So, here I am going to talk about oranges, not any other fruits. I will come to a conclusion at the end of the lesson why I am talking about oranges. Okay, why? There are many fruits, but here particularly I am talking about oranges. What is this? A short summary I would like to say here about the prose. A boy, you can call it a man, who is fond of eating oranges day, every hour. He would like to have oranges in his life, not any other fruits. Every time he is interested to have oranges. See, imagine how a boy can eat oranges all the time. Yes, my dear students, a boy, once he was caught, was stealing. We cannot use for taking. Don't use the word stealing here. For taking oranges in his apron, and how he overcame from those typical situation. That's what we are going to see. How that man was caught by the security guard, and how he overcame, or how he demolished or removed all the witness. Namely, he has taken 17 oranges in his pocket, in his apron, that we call it as an apron. And when the security guard caught him red-handed, he did not know what to do. Okay, he was taken to the cabin. There, the 17 oranges are kept on the table. And he did not know what to do. His inner voice told him to eat everything. That's the only thing where he can just erase all the witnesses. Yes, the boy, ate all the 17 oranges by the time the police officer went to call another police officer as a witness. And this boy ate everything, including the peels, the skin, whatever that you call it, and the seeds. It's very difficult to eat 17 oranges at a time. But he just removed all the witnesses, the evidence. Otherwise, you would have been in the jail. So this is what we are going to see in this beautiful, thought-provoking, and tactic, a lesson called 17 Oranges. The title of the lesson is 17 Oranges. Because we all would like to have fruits. We all would like to have a kind of a desire for fruits. It is scientifically proved that we should eat fruits every day. Any fruits. We have to eat in our diet. We have to eat some fruits also every day. This is a kind of recommendation, advice given by all the doctors. Eat fruits every day. But one way or other, we are much oriented about fruits in our life. So here I am going to talk about oranges. In this video, I shall deal with you about the author. First, I will deal about the author. Who is the author behind this story? Next, I would like to say, I would like to give a brief introduction about the various characters in the story. How each character is involved in the story. Next, at the end, we will see how the man escaped without going to jail. How he erased all the witnesses or evidence that against him. That is the inner voice that asked him to eat all the oranges. That's what we will see as it moves on. So my dear students, keep in mind the title of the story is 17 Oranges. 17 Oranges it is. This story takes place in a dockyard, that is in shipyard. In the shipyard, where this boy, the narrator himself narrating the incident. So this is what we have to see. The narrator himself narrating the incident. He assumes he is playing the role of the boy in this story. And he is going to narrate why he liked oranges in his life. Why he liked so much the oranges. And there are variety of fruits in the shipyard. And he was assigned the work of carrying, going inside and coming out with his bony and cart. With a bony and cart, carry some of the fruits that are come in the shipyard and take to outside. As he comes out, he has to show to the security guard. He has to show everything. Now and then, this boy used to take something from the harbor or from the shipyard. Some small fruits he used to take in his pocket. But he is not a thief. He is not a thief. So, this boy is going to narrate how the incident really struck him, how he was caught red-handed. And there are other friend who was never caught. He was never caught. Keep on stealing the things from the shipyard. But this boy was caught red-handed, and how he came out from those situations using his inner voice. The inner voice urged him to remove all the evidences, to eat all the proofs, everything again that stood against him. That's what we will see in the next video. With this, we will come to the conclusion of this video session, which says about the narrator and his story. The narrator is going to narrate the incident that took place in his life. The continuation we will meet in the next video. Thank you.